Guys, so today I'm here and I'm not going to do a full tutorial today, but I'm going to show you guys what my hair looks like before. But I picked up the Good Die Young Rock Lobster. As you guys don't know, I stopped using Arctic Fox, but I wanted to try something different because Manic Panic Pillar Box Red is always sold out all the time. But I didn't want to do Arctic Fox anymore, so yeah, this is what it looks like. I'm super excited. It is supposed to be super red. I heard 50-50 things on this, but love the packaging. But I'm going to be doing all my roots. I'm not going to touch the ends because they're still really, they're pretty vibrant, as you can tell. And then it will take and wash down and also make it more vibrant. But I wanted to show you, this is what we are working with. This is my natural hair color that kind of came through. As you can see, it's a very light blonde. I do have a little bit of white in some spots. Or ignore that. But yeah, I don't bleach it or anything. This is my natural hair. I'm kind of like day 4 hair or whatnot. I'm not greasy or nothing though, but I'm going to take and do like all my roots, go all around, and I will show you what it looks like. I'll probably come back on tomorrow once it's all dried and put kind of hopefully in some sort of style, but I'm curious and I'll definitely do some reviews on this and let you guys know how it works because it's a pretty decent size. Apparently it's supposed to last a long time, so let's find out. Alright, I'm going to show you guys some consistency here. It's actually way smoother than I've seen some people report, so I don't know if I just got a good one or what, but let me show you. I'm on my ugly towel. This is my hair dye towel. I just don't want to get it on my new sink, but it seems very creamy and really like nice. It smells nice, so I'm excited, but we shall see. But it's very, very red. It's very red. I add conditioner to this because if I was doing my ends I would, but since I'm doing my roots I want as much color as possible. So that is what it looks like. The consistency seems really creamy, nice, easy squeeze type bottle like this here. But so far, so good. Hey guys, so this is the next day. This is how it came out. Look at these roots. Like this looks so good. As a heads up, I'll let you guys know how this lasts, how it fades. I will give you guys an update, but guys, if you've been dyeing your hair red, because I don't see too much about Good Die Young, I love this. I have no staining on my neck, body. You guys know normally when I retouch, if you watch my videos a lot, my whole like neck, chest will be covered in red. None on my forehead, and I didn't use any Vaseline or anything. It didn't stain my tub, at least my tub it didn't. It came right off. So I'm very happy. I hope this lasts well. Again, here's the roots. And I just like gently put some with some conditioner in just towards the end. And guys, this looks so vibrant, so pretty. It's like true red. Again, I will update you guys and let you know. Fingers crossed. I hope it lasts well because I love it. I'm so happy. My hair smells so good. It literally smells like bergamot. It just smells delicious. So very happy. Wanted to update and show you guys. But yeah, it looks shiny. It feels soft. I love the root coverage. So definitely will give you guys a review in a few weeks and let you know how it goes.